still. There is nothing you need say. It can't wait.
Why didn't you kill me?
Your mother's calling me.
If Silas wants you, that means you're leverage. No, I mean after you shoved the cube down my
Sometimes I
throat.
wanted
I was
to
trying to kill you.
cry
Why do you finish me off?
when the people
You
on
think that because we
TV
share the
were
same
not
dreams,
quite
that
the
we
way
are
we
not
were.
special alike?
Somehow I guess
But
I
we're not.
just knew.
I value my humanity, which is why I let you live. To give you a chance to find whatever shredding
But I didn't know
humanity
I
was buried
love you
under
so
500 years of bad
much.
behavior.
I didn't know I love you
Human
so
was punishment
much.
worse than death for me.
I didn't know I love you
That was
so
a happy accident.
much. But I do.
Well, thank you.
Sometimes I'd stay up all night, wishing to God that I was the one who died. And sometimes there's not enough time. But I didn't know I love you so much. I didn't know I love you so much. I didn't know I love you so much. But I do.
Didn't know I love you so much.
Didn't know I love you so much.
I didn't know I love you so much. But I do. Dad, I will not leave you here. You will live.
But you've already saved me, dear. Now go and change the world for me. And
We will always have each other in our time of need. Daddy, you're the world to me.